Negotiating a truck purchase demands strategic preparation. Before diving into discussions, arm yourself with essential information. Research the market to grasp prevailing prices and evaluate the specific truck model's depreciation. Know your budget constraints and secure financing options in advance, enabling you to negotiate from a position of financial strength. Understand the vehicle's history, scrutinizing maintenance records and accident reports, ensuring you negotiate based on accurate assessments. Equally crucial is establishing your trade-in value, providing leverage during negotiations. Familiarize yourself with warranty options and potential add-ons to bolster your bargaining position. Patience is key, don't rush. Armed with knowledge and a comprehensive understanding of your needs, you'll navigate the negotiation process with confidence, securing a favorable deal on your truck purchase. Hit that subscribe button now and accelerate your path to a successful truck purchase.